Did you realize that clicking a button may earn you $4 in less than 30 seconds? I'll describe how to achieve that in detail in today's video. You can basically conduct this money-making method from anywhere in the world, and you don't even need any special knowledge, expertise, or abilities to accomplish it. It's really easy and accessible to everyone. Your device, an internet connection, and the instructions in this video are all you'll need to get started. I'll lay everything out step by step so you won't even have to bother about the hard task. But first of all, hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You may start making things happen by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed anytime we release a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below. The first link to twitch.tv will appear right here when you enter the keyword twitch.tv into the search bar on google.com. We're about to use videos like this one to make a lot of money online. So click on this link to go to a website where you can find a range of channels and videos that you can watch for free. The majority of these videos are gaming videos. I want you to click the browse button up top right now, which will bring you to this page where you can browse the many genres or videos available on our website. From there, you may scroll down to find a variety of other genres of videos to watch. I want you to concentrate on this category, which is the Fortnite category, as it is one of the most well-liked gaming videos currently. Click on this category to go to the Fortnite section, which has over 62 million followers. As you scroll down, you'll see even more videos that you can watch and make money from right now. I want you to visit the website ok.io to proceed to the next round. Don't worry, this is quite simple and I'll show you precisely how to accomplish this in this video. This is the website that we will be utilizing today to watch easy videos like this and learn how to make a lot of money online. Look at how it functions. You must first create a free account on this website. Then, if I copy this video link and then come back to this website and paste the twitch.tv URL, I will be able to shorten a long URL link. Then use this button to shorten the URL. Here is the shortened URL provided by this website. Whenever users click on your shortened link, you will continually be paid per click. The amount you receive is dependent on the visitor's nation of origin, so your earnings will vary according to where they are from. Germans, for instance, can get $5 when they click on your link, whereas Americans can earn $5.10 in the same situation. This is the identical method used by all of these folks from across the world to generate income online. Here, look at this. There are presently over 373,000 people who are actively utilizing this website and making money daily. Sometimes even hundreds of dollars by simply uploading a shortened video link using this website. They can offer you a range of payment methods, including bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill, and Bitcoin. Let me show you how to join up for a free account. Simply click the sign up button at the top to be directed to this page, where you may sign up for a new membership without spending any money. You may log into your brand new account right here on the statistics page, which serves as both the login page and the home page, by simply entering your username and email address, confirming your password right here, and clicking the I'm not a robot and submit buttons. Right here on this page, you can see how many people have clicked on your link and how much money you can make. You can see that we haven't made any money yet because this is a brand new account and we haven't shortened any links yet. I want you to go back to twitch.tv and search for 3 videos in the Fortnite category. I'll click on the first video here, the second video here, and the third video there. I'll then open up additional browsers and launch video number 1, video number 2, and video number 3. As we return to the first video, please click the share button below and then copy the URL link for this particular video. Simply click on copy, then go back to your account dashboard and paste the twitch.tv URL into the appropriate field. After that, I want you to click on shorten, which will automatically shorten the link to something much more manageable. I'll just copy it right now, and I want to give you this done for you script right here. This is my post for a Fortnite video, and you can use it to start making money right away by copying and pasting it. I'll give a brief overview of the game, and then I'll say something like, for more Fortnite videos, click the link below to watch. Now that the shortened links to the 3 videos have been pasted, you will be paid every time someone clicks on your link. For instance, let's say I paste my first URL link in the first video. As a result, every time someone clicks on my link, I will receive a different amount of money depending on the country they are from. Simply repeat the process to go to the second video. Click the share button, copy the lengthy URL link, and then we'll head back to our dashboard and remove this one right here. For instance, if someone from Norway clicks on your link, you'll make $4. Simply selecting delete, entering the updated URL for the second video here, and selecting the shorter option. Once more, the website will automatically shorten the URL into this link right here. And all I have to do to paste the second link is click the copy button to return to our copy and paste template. On video number 2, scroll down to the third video, click on the share button once more to copy the video URL link, then return to the dashboard, remove everything, paste the new third movie link, and press the shorten button. Finally, here is our third video link, which we'll just copy and paste into the template. By using this template, you can finally start making money right now. I'm going to offer it to you in its entirety. As always, I'll leave you with an extra tip as a way of saying thank you for watching all the way to the end. Now, I want you to visit this website, forums.pcgamer.com, which is a well-known forum where people debate a variety of gaming-related things, including Fortnite videos. I like how accessible and cost-free this website is from anywhere in the world. There are over 22,000 messages and over 300 posts under the PC gaming conversation under general gaming. And there is a lot of debate and people discussing gaming every day. If I click on this link, I'll be taken to a website with a variety of posts. Many individuals submit extremely brief, straightforward messages on this forum, and they receive a lot of views. There are just so many possibilities on this website right now that when I look up the phrase Fortnite, I can see that a lot of people are chatting and debating it. The forum is a great place to copy, paste, and share the exact template with everyone inside the forum. And you can then make money whenever people click on any of your shortened links. This pretty much sums up today's method of making money online with a click of a button. If you pick up any new information today, make sure to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel with notifications switch on to be the first to know when we release a new money making video. Thanks for watching the Money